Ever wondered why some software applications are simply seamless and others are riddled with bugs and errors? The answer lies in software quality assurance. It's a systematic process that ensures software products meet the highest quality standards, preventing defects, identifying issues, and improving overall quality throughout the development lifecycle. This isn't just about ticking off a checklist. It's about creating software that truly meets and exceeds user expectations. So, are you ready to delve deeper? Let's dive into the world of software quality assurance. Software quality assurance is not just about finding bugs, it has 5 key objectives. Let's delve into these objectives to understand how they shape the world of software quality assurance. First off, we have quality improvement. This is the cornerstone of software quality assurance. Its goal is to ensure that software products align with the specified quality standards, requirements, and user expectations. It's all about making sure that the software does what it's supposed to do, and does it well. Next up is defect prevention. This objective focuses on identifying and addressing defects early in the development process. Why wait till the end to fix issues when you can prevent them from happening in the first place? This approach is more efficient and cost-effective, and it helps maintain the overall quality of the software. Then, there's process improvement. This is all about refining the development processes, practices, and methodologies. By doing so, we enhance productivity, efficiency, and the quality of the software. It's like tuning a musical instrument. The better the tuning, the better the performance. Next in line is risk mitigation. The software development process is fraught with risks, from software defects and security vulnerabilities to compliance issues. The objective here is to identify, assess, and mitigate these risks, ensuring that they don't derail the development process or compromise the quality of the software. Last but definitely not least is customer satisfaction. At the end of the day, it's all about the user. This objective aims to enhance customer satisfaction by delivering high-quality software solutions that meet or exceed user needs and expectations. In a nutshell, these objectives form the backbone of software quality assurance. They provide a roadmap guiding all software quality assurance activities and strategies. It's not just about squashing bugs, but about building a culture of quality, where everyone is committed to delivering the best possible software. These objectives guide all software quality assurance activities and strategies. To achieve these objectives, software quality assurance involves a number of key components. Let's start with quality planning. This is where we set the stage for success. We define quality objectives, standards, and metrics for the project. A comprehensive quality management plan is developed outlining the processes, activities, and responsibilities to ensure quality throughout the project lifecycle. It's like a roadmap for quality, guiding us on every step of the journey. Next, we have quality control. This is all about monitoring and evaluating the quality of software products and deliverables. It's akin to a quality checkpoint. We implement processes and techniques to keep an eye on the quality of the software. We conduct inspections, reviews, and testing to identify defects, verify compliance, and validate functionality. It's like having a quality detective on the case, constantly seeking out potential issues. Then we move on to quality assurance reviews. These are periodic reviews and assessments of development processes, practices, and artifacts. It's our way of ensuring adherence to quality standards and best practices. We use feedback from these reviews to pinpoint areas for improvement and implement corrective actions. Think of it as a quality health check, regularly examining the state of our practices and processes. Testing and validation is another crucial component. Here, we develop and execute test plans, test cases, and test scripts. These are designed to verify software functionality, performance, and reliability. We use a variety of testing techniques, including functional testing, regression testing, performance testing, and security testing. It's like putting the software through a rigorous workout to ensure it's in top shape. Finally, we have process improvement. This involves collecting and analyzing quality metrics and data to identify trends, patterns, and areas for improvement. We implement process improvement initiatives such as Six Sigma, Lean, or Agile methodologies to optimize development processes and enhance quality. It's like having a quality personal trainer, always pushing us to do better and continuously improve. These components are not standalone entities. They're like different instruments in an orchestra, each playing its part, but together creating a harmonious symphony of quality. Quality planning sets the stage, quality control keeps us on track, quality assurance reviews provide feedback, testing and validation prove the functionality, and process improvement helps us continuously do better. These components work together to ensure that software meets the highest quality standards. So how can we ensure effective software quality assurance? There are several best practices to follow. First off, early engagement is key. The earlier we involve quality assurance professionals and stakeholders in the development process, the better. Think of it as a preventive measure. By addressing potential quality concerns proactively, we can nip many issues in the bud before they have a chance to grow into bigger problems. Then we have continuous feedback. This is all about promoting an open and collaborative environment within the team. Encourage everyone to share their insights, their triumphs, and their stumbling blocks. Lessons learned should be lessons shared. This way, we can all learn from each other's experiences, continuously improving our processes and our software. Now, let's talk about automation. In the realm of software quality assurance, automation is a game changer. By automating repetitive and manual tasks like testing, deployment, and code analysis, we can greatly increase efficiency. But it's not just about saving time. Automation also brings consistency, reducing the chances of human error. And remember, an error avoided is a defect prevented. Lastly, but certainly not least, training and education. It's crucial to provide ongoing training for team members on quality assurance principles, methodologies, and tools. After all, the landscape of software development is ever-changing. New technologies, new methodologies, new best practices, they all emerge at a rapid pace. By keeping our teams well-educated and up-to-date, we ensure they're equipped with the knowledge and skills needed to maintain the highest quality standards. But remember, these best practices aren't just a checklist to tick off. They're a mindset, a culture. It's about making quality a priority at every stage of the development process, from the initial planning right through to the final delivery. It's about fostering a team spirit where everyone feels responsible for the quality of the software. It's about continuously striving for improvement, never settling for good enough. To sum it up, effective software quality assurance is a journey, not a destination. It's a process of continuous improvement, driven by a commitment to quality at every step. By involving everyone early, encouraging continuous feedback, leveraging the power of automation, and investing in training and education, we can navigate this journey more effectively. By following these best practices, we can enhance the effectiveness of our software quality assurance efforts. Let's take a quick recap of what we've learned about software quality assurance. This systematic approach is all about ensuring that software products meet specified quality standards and requirements. It's a multifaceted process that involves quality improvement, defect prevention, process enhancement, risk mitigation, and customer satisfaction. The objectives of software quality assurance are clear: to deliver high-quality software that meets or exceeds user expectations. This is achieved by preventing defects, improving processes, mitigating risks, and ultimately, enhancing customer satisfaction. Key components of software quality assurance include quality planning and control, quality assurance reviews, testing and validation, and process improvement. Each component plays a vital role in ensuring the overall quality of the software. The best practices for software quality assurance involve early engagement of quality assurance professionals and stakeholders, fostering open communication and collaboration, automating repetitive tasks, and providing ongoing training and education. To summarize, software quality assurance is a holistic approach that goes beyond just finding bugs. It's about creating a culture of quality, where everyone is responsible for ensuring the software meets the highest standards of quality. It's about continuously improving processes and practices to deliver software that not only meets but exceeds user expectations. Remember, software quality assurance is not just about finding bugs. It's about delivering high-quality software that meets user needs and expectations.